Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Lounge. Today, I will tell you about 5 tips for the number one goal of most students: how to speak English fluently. When you start learning English, it is normal to feel nervous. You might translate every word from your native language in your mind before you speak. You might worry about your grammar or feel shy when you talk to native speakers. Believe me, every learner feels this way at the beginning. But today, I want to share 5 practical tips that will help you stop translating and start speaking naturally. Tip number 1. Surround yourself with English. We call this immersion. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country to do this. You can create an English world in your own home. Listen to podcasts while you cook, watch videos on YouTube, or play English audio while you commute to work. When you listen to topics you actually care about, like travel, technology, or daily news, your brain relaxes. You stop focusing on grammar rules and start hearing the natural rhythm of the language. Tip number 2. Change how you think about mistakes. This is a big one. Many students stay quiet because they are afraid of saying something wrong. But think about this. Fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about connecting with people. Even native speakers forget words or make grammar mistakes. If you use the wrong verb tense, the other person will usually still understand you. Don't stop talking. Just smile and keep going. Your mistakes are proof that you are trying. Tip number 3. Speak out loud, even when you are alone. Reading and listening are great, but they only train your eyes and your ears. To speak fluently, you need to train the muscles in your mouth. A fantastic exercise is to talk to yourself. While you're getting dressed in the morning, describe your daily routine out loud. Say, I am putting on my shoes. Now, I am going to make some coffee. You can also use your phone to record your own voice. Listen back to it. It might feel strange at first, but it is the best way to hear your progress. Tip number 4. Learn phrases, not just single words. Imagine building a house brick by brick. That takes a long time, right? Building a sentence word by word is the same. It makes your speaking very slow. Instead of memorizing long lists of single words, learn words that go together. For example, do not just learn the word photo. Learn the phrase, take a photo. Do not just learn bus. Learn catch the bus. When you learn these chunks of language, you can speak in full sentences much faster. And finally, tip number 5. Practice a little bit every day. Consistency is the magic key to fluency. Practicing speaking for just 10 minutes every single day is much better than studying for 3 hours once a week. Make English a normal part of your daily routine. Learning to speak fluently is a journey. It does not happen overnight, but if you listen often, speak out loud, and don't worry about mistakes, you will get there. Thank you so much for joining me today in the English Learning Lounge. If you found this helpful, try to practice one of these tips today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next episode.